2008 Saturn Outlook with the 3.6 V6, and today we're going to be replacing the drive belt. Let's get to it. And the first thing we're going to be needing is our drive belt removal kit, specifically this tool right here because it has the 1/2 inch head on it. And I'm going to go ahead and utilize this 3/8 inch head because they connect together like this. It just makes it a lot easier. And underneath the vehicle, typically this would be held up underneath here. Actually, I think it bolts up kind of like right there, but this is just hanging. So I'm just gonna tuck this out of the way as best as I can. And underneath here, we can see our drive belt, and right there, we can see our drive belt tensioner. Now, I'm gonna go ahead, grab our 1/2 inch extension tool and insert that. Then we can grab our 3/4 inch and connect right onto it. Taking the tension off of it by prying it in a loosening fashion or a clockwise, and then we can just go ahead and this smooth pulley right here, it'll just slide right off of that, and go ahead and remove the drive belt from the rest of the pulleys. And here's our drive belt diagram for reference. And these circles, by the way, are not like accurate in size. This is actually your alternator, so that's actually smaller. Tensioner, idler pulley, power steering pump, AC compressor. So that's pretty much it. Pause the video if you need to, but other than that, go ahead and reinstall your drive belt in the reverse order that we removed it from. And if you'd like to see more videos on this vehicle, go ahead and check out that video next. I made that one just for you. And if this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see y'all next time.